A very good evening to all the doctors who are participating in Maharashtra State Counselling. And here we have a quick update regarding Maharashtra State Counselling upgradation rules. Okay, so as we know, today is the last date of reporting in Maharashtra colleges. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Now, fresh registrations will be allowed for round one, round two, round three, and the candidate who registered once in round one need not uh, do the registration again. Okay, and if you are out of round two, suppose you got allotted a seat in round two and you did not take it, you can exit with forfeiture of security deposit and freshly again participate in round three. It is as good as MCC rules only. Okay, and there will be a free exit in round one. Now, the changes are mop up round has been named as third round. Fresh registrations will be allowed for round 1, round 2, and round 3, and not for the stray vacancy round. Stray vacancy round for private institutes to be conducted by DMER. It will be not conducted at the college level. So, the rules are as good as MCC counseling only. NRI candidates eligible for NRI seats only and not for general merit or the institutional quota seats, whereas the OCI candidates will be eligible for all the general seats, institutional seats, as well as NRI quota seats. Moving ahead, upgradation: fill fresh choices in every upcoming round by holding a seat of previous round. So you can upgrade from round 1 to round 2, round 2 to round 3. There will be no upgradation from round 3 to stray vacancy round. So the rules remain same as MCC counseling. Now, round 3 rules: if joined a seat under state counseling, the candidates are not eligible to participate in MCC stray vacancy round. If joined a seat under MCC counseling round 3, cannot participate in round 3 of any state. Okay. The list of round 3 joint candidates will be shared with the MCC and state counseling bodies. That is, a candidate if joins a round 3 seat in Maharashtra counseling, their names will be shared with MCC, so they cannot participate in stay vacancy round of MCC counseling. Okay, and same will be the rule. Once you have got a seat and you have joined in MCC counseling of round 3, you cannot participate in round 3 of Maharashtra. The list of joint candidates in state round 3 will be shared with MCC and the states joint candidates and cannot participate in MCC stray round or any other state stray round. Moving ahead, now this is as good as MCC only. Suppose you have got allotted a seat in round one of Maharashtra State Counseling. Suppose you are allotted, and if you are 100% satisfied, fill the status retention form and take your seat, and that will be the end of counseling for you. Suppose you do not want to leave a seat but want to try for a better seat, report and do not fill status retention form. Okay, kindly note you do not have to fill status retention form, and then you're automatically eligible for upgradation. Or else you can also try in round 2 of MCC counseling as well as round 2 of, as you are upgraded, as you have reported to round 2, round 1 college. Okay, kindly take a screenshot of this, and so it will give you a clear idea. If you're allotted and you're satisfied, fill retention form, end of the counseling. If you're allotted not 100% satisfied, do not fill retention form, go for upgradation, and you can also simultaneously try in round 2 of MCC counseling. Suppose you're allotted, you want to take a free exit, do not report, and you can also try for second round in MCC counseling as well as state counseling. Okay, not allotted, try in round 2 of, suppose you're not allotted in first round, try again in round 2 and try in MCC round 2. Okay, so kindly take a screenshot of this. This will be giving you a very good idea how to go about it. We have tried to simplify it, and I hope this is of some use to doctors. Now, coming on to round 2 Maharashtra State Counseling, if fresh allotted for newly registered, upgraded and not non-reported round 1 candidates. That is fresh allotted. If you are freshly allotted and you registered first time in round 2, or you were upgraded from round 1, or you did not report it in round 1, you took a free exit. Okay, suppose you're allotted. Okay, 100% satisfied, report to the college and fill your status retention form. Okay, So if you want to apply for betterment, do not fill status retention form. Okay. If not reported, suppose you got a seat in round 2, and if you do not report, you will be losing your security deposit. Okay. And then you can again participate in round 3 again by fresh registration. Suppose you're not upgraded. Okay. No problem. Retain round 1 seat. Do not fill status retention form. Do not fill status retention form. Apply for second upgrade in round 3. Okay. This is as good as MCC. Okay. And if you're not allotted, try in round 3 of MCC counseling or wait for round 3 of state counseling. Okay. Okay. Retain round 1 seat if 100% satisfied. Okay. Fill status retention form. End of counseling. Suppose you have got a seat in round 1. Okay, and you went for upgradation in round 2, and now you have changed your mind. No, I do not, and you do not have an upgradation. You do not want to participate in round 3. Go back to the round 1 institute, fill your status retention form. Okay. So kindly take a screenshot. This will give you a rough idea how it is to be done. Round 2 Maharashtra. Suppose you are allotted, you can go for upgradation. Suppose you do not report to the college, you exit with forfeiture of security deposit. Suppose you allotted in round 1 and you did not get upgradation in round 2, no problem. Do not fill status retention form. Again, try in round 3 for upgradation. That is second upgradation. Okay. And if not allotted, you can always try for third round of state counseling or third round of MCC counseling. Okay, now I hope everybody has taken a screenshot. We have tried to simplify the thing, and if you have any doubts, you can always give us a call. Coming on to round 3, freshly allotted, you have to join, and that will be the end of counseling. Upgraded, you have to join, and that will be end of counseling. Not upgraded, retain round 1 or round seat wherever you got the seat. Okay, and then that will be end of counseling. And if you're not allotted, try and stray vacancy round. No re-registration required. Okay. All the joint candidates list to be shared with MCC and other states. Okay. Yes. So kindly take a screenshot of the same. I hope this was useful. Now, list of the documents required to be uploaded at the time of registration for counseling participation: your NEET PG scorecard, NEET PG admit card, one photo ID, nationality certificate, school nationality. If you do not have nationality certificate, upload your school living certificate, 10th or 12th, MBBS degree passing certificate, internship completed certificate, permanent provisional state medical council registration, certificate from the head of the institute that from where you have completed MBBS is a recognized institute, and medical fitness certificate, and the caste documents if you belong to any caste. I hope this video was very useful to you. Uh, I'll again go for round 1 so that you can take a screenshot. This is round 1 Maharashtra counseling. This is a mind map we have made. Okay, this is a flow chart. You can take a screenshot. This is for round 1. Let's go to round 2. Again, you can take a screenshot. This will help you to understand the process. Okay, and this is round 3. Okay, I hope we were very clear in this, and I hope there was no confusion as such. Okay, and I hope you have liked this video. Kindly like, subscribe for our channel, and if you need any guidance, you can always give us a call on the numbers mentioned in the description. Thank you. God bless you all.